On YouTube. This is a little bit of a different video from what I normally make, but Caleb was asking for it, so I'm going to make it. This is how to jailbreak iOS 13.5. Just to let you know before you continue watching, but you can't jailbreak iOS 13.5.1 because Apple patched the jailbreak. But first, what you want to do is I'm going to show you how to do it on Windows. You have to go to your internet browser and then look up AltStore, if I can spell. So this is basically like a signing program. So what you do is you download the Windows or Mac, whatever you have. I don't know Mac that much. Then once it's downloaded, you get that. But in order for AltStore to work, you're going to have to also download iCloud. Well, actually, I don't know if... you know what? iCloud, download. Boom. Then you're going to have to download iCloud. I'm not going to download it because I already have it, and I don't feel like installing it on this computer. But just to let you know, you're going to have to download iCloud and AltStore. And then once you have those done, basically, I mean, if you don't know how to install something, then you shouldn't be here. But, so what you do is you got AltStore, extract it, blah, blah. Okay, there we go. So once you install the setup, blah, blah, do this. All you're going to have to do is click on the Windows button, type in Alt, and then it should pop up AltStore, Alt Server, whatever it pops up. Then it's going to be running down here on the bottom right. You're going to have to right-click it, and it's basically going to say install AltStore on your iPhone. Make sure that you open up your iPhone and press Trust. Then once you do that, it's going to ask you to type in your Apple ID and password. If you remember old signing programs, they're like, what is it called? Cydia Impactor, which doesn't work anymore. It asks you to go into Apple's website and then get an app-specific password. But in this case, you're just going to have to type in your normal Apple ID and password. They're not going to take any of the information. It's just so it can install AltStore on your phone. But yeah, once you have iCloud and AltStore installed, it's as simple as just right-clicking on the app, which is not here because I have it on my other computer, but I can't screen record that. So it's as simple as that. You just install it on your phone, and then you just trust it on your phone. You go into what's it called? Settings, General, and then you go to... Actually, you know what? I'm going to bring this over to my iPhone screen. Alright, now you can see my screen on my iPhone. So, basically what you're going to want to do from here is, after you press install on AltStore, you're going to see a little app that says AltStore. But if you click on it, mine loads, but what you're going to see is, it's going to say Trust Developer. So you're going to have to go into Settings, General, and then you're going to have to scroll down where it says Device Management. And then we'll say whatever your iCloud is. You're going to click on it and then press Trust. Mine's verified. And then what you're going to want to do is go to Safari and then look up Uncover. And then see where it says Uncover Home. You're going to want to click on that. And then go to Download Uncover 5.2.0. Download that. And then what you're going to want to do is go into your files. And then originally we'll download the iCloud Drive downloads, but I changed mine because I don't have any iCloud space to on my iPhone downloads. And then you're going to find Uncover 5.2, blah, blah, blah. Click on the bottom left, and then scroll over until you see Copy to AltStore. And then it will install using AltStore. Mine's not going to work. It's going to say couldn't find AltStore because you're going to have to keep it connected to your computer whenever you want to download it. So I'll be right back once it's downloaded on my phone. And then we'll move on from there. Also, just to add in, since Apple unsigns apps every 7 days, AltStore has a auto-signing process. But in order to use it in the app, if you go to My Apps, it will tell you how many days are left. You're going to have to plug it into your computer, make sure that iCloud is running and AltStore. And all you have to simply do is press Refresh All, and it will refresh AltStore and Uncover. Just to let you know. Okay, so now I got AltStore thing, blah blah blah, went to Files, installed Uncover, I mean you saw it, and then got Uncover right here. I want to put it into my Jailbreak folder, because I'm OCD, and then all you have to do is click on Uncover, boom, there you go, and I like the dark mode better, so I click on the settings, and dark mode. Okay, so literally, all you have to do from here is, I bet you guessed it, press Jailbreak. And you just let it do its thing. And what it's going to do is, it might scare you, it's going to respring your phone. You can close out this little ad. And then it's going to say jailbreaking complete, blah, blah, blah. Also, first time you jailbreak, it might take a few turns. Don't get scared from it. You're going to see the Apple logo a few times. It's going to restart. Just keep going through it. It's going to say no errors occurred. Close out that ad and press OK. Then your phone's going to respring and you're jailbroken. Now it will say re-jailbreak at the bottom. You're jailbroken. Simple as that. So you're going to notice that my phone looks weird. I like the way it looks, and in the lock screen. But yeah, that's basically all you're going to have to do to jailbreak, and now you'll have this thing. It's going to be called Cydia. And in here, you can install the tweaks you want. Whenever you first load, it's going to ask you to upgrade. Just press Upgrade Essentials. And then I have a lot of sources and all that. But yeah, this was how to jailbreak. And then if you go here, my settings, these are all the tweaks that I have to make my phone look like this. But yeah, that's going to be it. And let me know if you want to see videos on how to install tweaks, what tweaks are. And yeah, I think I'm going to end this here. Thanks for watching.